Hey everyone, so today I am here with an Erin Condren haul video. I have not done a video where I've actually sat and physically talked to the camera in a very long time. So this feels a little bit strange for me, so I do apologize. But I did get this package in from Erin Condren yesterday, and I wanted to kind of do a haul with you guys because I haven't done a haul in a very long time, and I'm really excited about some of these things, and I definitely feel like I will be able to showcase them more in upcoming videos. So I'll go ahead and open it up. It's kind of a small box, thankfully. And so here is my order. Let me just quickly look and make sure there's no invoice. Okay, cool. So I did purchase a few things. Let me get everything out. So yeah, this is everything I bought. So I will start with the main reason I placed this order was for this, which is the soft bound life planner. This is the 2020 calendar. I really wanted something that could be very like on the go for me, that I want to use fully and completely for like content creation and social media. That is something that I really wanted to focus on this year, was kind of getting back into my channel, really focusing on like Instagram and things like that, with both my personal Instagram, which is linked below, as well as my planner Instagram, again linked below. So I wanted something that could kind of help me with that, because that's 3 different platforms that I need to kind of maintain and keep up with, and I've noticed in the past that I haven't been able to do that because I solely focus on one, or I can't really focus on the other, and it's just me. So having something to kind of help me with that, I felt like would be really beneficial. So I saw this on the website and I thought this would be perfect. This is, like I said, the soft bound life planner. It's a, like it says, a weekly planning system. I got the horizontal layout. I'm not sure if it offered it in both neutral and colorful, but yeah, this one is colorful. I believe this was colorful. So I will link all of this down below as well. We live right next to a school. I can hear their intercom system going on and off right now, so I do apologize for that, for like pausing, and probably lots of jump cuts. But I felt like this would be really easy to travel with. I do want to be able to take this to work with me, take this like in my purse, things like that, just so I can kind of, when I get ideas, constantly be able to write things down. So this feels really nice. I did get the rose gold one. I believe you can get this personalized. I did not. I do have something that is personalized as rose gold. It's like buried, but I can eventually show you guys, because I do want to do a whole video kind of showcasing how I end up using this. So it seems like it's just kind of the normal layout as a regular Erin Condren planner. This is actually going to be perfect for writing goals. New focus. I love that. This is really nice. Yeah, so it is pretty much set up the same way as the current 2020 Erin Condren planner. I like having birthdays, and here's another goals section, which is really nice. And they do have a monthly view. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use the monthly view yet. I'll definitely show you guys as I like figure it out. Definitely not gonna be using January, but yes, I did opt for the horizontal layout. I feel like it makes more sense for content creation and for what I'm gonna be using this planner for, just to be able to put everything in here. Obviously, I won't be using January. I'll be into February, but this is really nice. I really do like this a lot. I feel like it's just like the perfect like size, and because it's soft bound, it's like easy to just kind of like toss. Ooh, I like that. That's really pretty. And let's kind of just look at the back and see if there's anything in the back. I didn't care if it was colorful or neutral, TBH, so it doesn't really bother me. I don't think I'll be using stickers in here. So there are some notes pages, which will be helpful for me, and then in the upcoming year. Oh, I like that it has the whole year 2021 at a glance. Yikes. And that is that. But I feel like, yeah, there's like a notes section here too, which will be helpful. So this was the main reason that I placed an order. Again, I will showcase this probably in like the next month or so, after like I complete it for a month, just because like I don't want to spoil anything, you know. Ooh, I like this. But I have this. So then when I was on there, I was like, I need to get like accessories for it because I'm crazy. But I did see these. I didn't purchase these last time. I did purchase the whole like set that they had of the colorful dual tip markers. These are so annoyingly loud, in the Twilight, Ocean, and Sunrise, which I do use in my budget planner. This is, it doesn't say which one it is, but it includes bubblegum, lemon, turquoise, seafoam, orchid, and gray. But it felt like more pastels. I thought it would be nice to add to my collection, since like I said, I already have a little collection. I'll put that there. I did also grab one of these. I think I'm going to use this with this planner. I Personally, especially when like writing and erasing things, because I do erase things often when like I'm taking notes and such, use a pencil, and I prefer them. So this is one of the designer mechanical pencils. It's in 0.5 millimeter. I typically use 0.7, but I'm sure it's gonna be perfectly fine. But I got the pink one. I thought it was really cute. I'm gonna get it open. Oh, that opened really easily. Ooh, that feels fancy. Fancy, fancy. Oh, I need to get like some sort of eraser. I didn't even think about that. What does it say? Push? Oh, because you can push here for more lead. Wasn't like that back in my day. But yeah, I wanted to grab one of those. Again, I'll add that to trash. Oh, that looks really nice too with the... I'm getting just stuff all over my desk. And with that, I also wanted to grab one of the pen holders. Will I just like place that in the back? Probably. Let's just set this up right now, I guess. I got the like lavender one. Is that the color of this one? I don't know. But let's see. Watch it not fit. Nope. I do have a G2 though right here. I mean, it might fit. I'm just like being ridiculous. There's kids running outside right now. Like I said, school just let out, so I do apologize for that. Dude, why is it like this? Here's like an actual mechanical pencil. Oh, that works. So one thing I bought does not work, but I'll figure this out. Like I said, I did buy the pen loop. I can just save this for like a giveaway. Actually, where's that packaging at? I mean, it's ripped, but I can just place it back in and keep it protected for like a future giveaway. That's fine. I'll put those together. I did also get these colorful monthly adhesive tabs. I thought this would be helpful. I know that there's this, which can keep your place, but I just kind of wanted something at a glance to see all of the months. I did get the colorful monthly ones. There's other options as well, but I did grab those. And then last but not least, I did get the Planny pack, which looking at it now is definitely not the size I needed, but I'm sure I can figure this out. Let's save this just in case. So this is a Planny pack. It is a small one. It does come with some protection here, which is nice. But I did get the black one. Again, it's not gonna fit 100%. But this is still very nice. What if I did it like this though? And then I stored like my pens in there? This seems dumb. Nope. Poor decision making here. But it is nice. Yeah, this is definitely not gonna fit, but I thought it would. I could do it like this. I mean, I don't know. I didn't read sizes. I just started adding things to cart. This is still really cute though. Could be used as a pencil case. I could give it to Avery to use. It has a little pocket back here as well to store items. Fail, but that's okay because I'll figure it out. That's fine. So the main things for this haul are these three things that worked out well for me. I'm, again, really excited about this. Like I said, I will show you guys in an upcoming video because I feel like this will be really cool to kind of see and get ideas for. But that is it for my Erin Condren haul. Kind of fail almost. I hope you guys enjoy. I haven't done any videos other than Plan With Me videos in a very long time. I definitely plan to do more. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.